Hello, students. This is Mr. McMillan. Just a quick little art review for my older students. We're going to be doing the human face, except this is going to be a part lesson. We're going to do this in parts. Today we're going to do the face, and then next week I'm going to show you how to do some neat stuff as far as like shading and stuff. I think I sent out a couple videos in the previous week about shading and stuff, and we're gonna jump back on that. Okay, but today we're just going to do a face, a quick review. So my third, fourth, and fifth grade students, if you're interested in this, this is an interesting thing you can do. All right. As remember, when we do the human head, the shape of the human head is what shape? Yes, it is an upside down egg, and we're going to do it like this. Okay. Now, obviously, if it's easy for you to do your egg right side up, you just turn around, but make sure the pointy side is near the bottom. Do you see that? Now, we're going to try to find the halfway point between the chin and the top of the head. The halfway point is going to be kind of here, okay? And we're going to put a little thin line there. You do a little thin line, especially if you have pencil, okay? Maybe I should do it darker so you guys can see it. There we go. Now, this is where the eyes are, okay? Our eyes are in the middle of our head. Contrary to popular belief, our eyes are not here. They're right in the middle of our head, okay? Because this is the top of our head. How many eyelids are there across? We went over this, so you should know. Okay, yes, correct. Five. Five islands across. One, two, three, four, five. And we just try our best to kind of measure five. If you have a ruler or straight edge, you can kind of use that to make it more precise. But just. And what is the shape of our eyes like? Okay. Now, those who love football will know that it's the shape of a football or a lemon. Okay. And we're going to put our eyes in between our spaces. There are five spaces across. One, two, three, four, five. Five spaces. Okay. And in the first space we leave blank. In the second space we put an eye. In the third space we leave blank. In the next space we put an eye. We only have two eyes, so remember that. Okay. Clear this out so you can see this a little bit better. All right. We're gonna erase these lines, obviously. Now the beautiful thing about our eyes, our pupil inside our eyes, it is a perfect circle, but we never see the whole circle. We only see part of it because it's always obstructed slightly by our eyes themselves, our eyelids. We're going to color that in. Okay. Put a little space above here for the eyebrows. Now, from here to there, in the middle of this space right here, right in the middle, is where the line for our nose goes. And from here to here, in the middle of these two lines, is the space where our mouth goes. Okay, doesn't have to be exact, but that's kind of close to it. Okay, and we have the space here where our ears go. Our nose is a very interesting thing because the best way to do your nose, as you know, is to just indicate the nose. You don't want to do a lot of stuff. Okay, just slightly indicate the shape of the nose, kind of like that. Okay, we don't want to do a lot of nostrils and stuff like that. Okay, just want to indicate it. Okay, and then our mouth, we have one lip above the line and one lip below the line. So we go like this, and we go like this. Okay, oops, mistake there. Obviously, our lower lip is going to be a little bit bigger. Now, some people's upper lip's a little bit bigger, but you don't want to have both of your lips the same size, or it's going to look odd. Okay, like a little duck or something. All right, right here we have the space where our ears go. The funny thing about ears is there are so many different styles of ears, so many different sizes. Some people have small, tiny little baby ears. Some people have big elephant-like ears. So what we're going to do is we're just going to indicate the shape of the ear. This depends on the person. Once you get really good at this, if you practice a lot, you can actually probably start doing portraits. Okay? And you can shape things around to fit the people that you know. Where these two lines intersect, see the line where the mouth is and this line? This is where our net goes. We're going to make a J kind of right here and kind of like there. Okay. Now we're almost done with everything. Oh, we forgot the hair, didn't we? Well, remember that rule about the hair. When you are drawing the human hair, and you're drawing the hair, how do you draw the hair? You do not draw the hair. You draw the shape of the hair because it makes it too complicated. So I can draw the shape of someone's hair, and then I could draw hair inside there like this, okay? And for those people who might have hair that's a little bit more curly or ethnic, your hair will be a little bit more like this, okay? If you have like little, for my females might have like bows and stuff like that, you can have stuff like this. If you have braids and stuff, um, we change it around a little bit right there so we can do the shape of where it might be. But then you turn around and you can just draw the little lines in here and stuff, okay? So there's a lot of options you do. So what I want you to do is just basically do that, get the shape of the hair, okay? If you have a braid that goes down like this. I haven't said if this was a boy or girl, obviously, because you have to decide that yourself. Now you might say, Miss McMillan, okay, that's fine and all, but we don't have any eyelashes to show it's a girl. When we do eyelashes, if you're a boy or girl, you just do one or two eyelashes. The more you do, obviously it's going to be a girl. Okay. So I want you to start off with this, and next week we'll try to do a little bit more. We'll work a little bit more on the hair and some shading ideas. Okay. All right. It's Miss McMillan. Peace out.